Hi, and welcome to your English class. Today we are going to talk about the present progressive, or sometimes known as the present continuous. Are you ready? Let's go. What do you know about the present progressive? When do we use the present progressive? The present progressive expresses an activity that is in progress at the moment that you're speaking. What does that mean? It is something that has begun in the past and that is continuing into the present and will probably end sometime in the future. For example, right now I am teaching English. Repeat. Right now I am teaching English. Right now, I am sitting in a chair. Repeat. Right now, I am sitting in a chair. Right now, I'm speaking in English. Repeat. Right now, I am speaking in English. Very good. How do we form the present progressive? Well, the present progressive is a team. It started with to be in the present tense plus any verb with ing, right? Like I am sitting. I am teaching. I am speaking, etc., etc. Let's review the verb to be real quick. So to be. I am. Repeat. I am. You are. Repeat. You are. He is. Repeat. He is. She is. Repeat. She is. It is. Repeat. It is. We are. Repeat. We are. They are. Repeat. They are. Very good. Now let's practice some verbs that end in ing. For example, listening. Repeat. Listening. Watching. Repeat. Watching. Eating. Repeat. Eating. Drinking. Repeat. Drinking. Seeing. Repeat. Seeing. Etc., etc., etc. So now let's put it all together in questions and answers. For example, right now, are you watching television? Repeat. Are you watching television? No, I'm not watching television. Repeat. No, I'm not watching television. What are you doing right now? Repeat. What are you doing right now? I'm teaching. Repeat. I'm teaching. Very good. What are you doing right now? Please feel free to let me know here below in the comments. And if you have any questions whatsoever, please let me know here as well. I look forward to seeing you at our next lesson. Thank you, and goodbye.